Welcome back to Grammar Grade 7. This is Unit 5, Lesson 36, and we're wrapping up our unit on adjectives and adverbs with the part that trips up almost everyone. After a verb, should you reach for an adjective or an adverb? Should you say good or well, bad or badly? By the end of this lesson, you'll know exactly which one to grab every single time. Let's take a look. Here's the whole problem in one question. When a describing word comes right after a verb, do you use an adjective or an adverb? The answer always depends on one thing, the kind of verb. If it's a linking verb, you use an adjective, and that adjective describes the subject. If it's an action verb, you use an adverb, and that adverb describes the action. So the trick is simple. Name the verb first, then the word chooses itself. Let's see each side in action. Let's start with linking verbs. Remember, a linking verb like be, seem, feel, look, or become doesn't show action. It links the subject to a word that describes it. And that describing word is an adjective. Listen, the winner seemed breathless. The verb seemed is linking, and breathless describes the winner. So breathless is an adjective, and the arrow points from breathless straight back to the subject, the winner. Linking verb, adjective, describing the subject. Now flip to an action verb. When the verb shows real action, the describing word is an adverb, and it tells how the action happened. Watch the very same idea change shape. She collapsed breathlessly. This time, collapsed is an action verb, and breathlessly tells how she collapsed. That makes breathlessly an adverb, and the arrow points from breathlessly back to the verb it describes. Action verb, adverb, describing the action. Same root word, but the job of the verb decided everything. So here's the one question that settles every case. Ask yourself, what is the verb doing? If the verb is linking, a form of be or seem, become, feel, or look, then the describing word is an adjective, and it points to the subject. If the verb is showing action, like ran, sang, wrote, or played, then the describing word is an adverb, and it points to the action. One little question asked about the verb, and the whole choice falls into place. Now let's put this to work on the words that cause the most trouble. Meet the first pair of troublemakers, good and bad. Here's the key fact to lock in. Good and bad are adjectives. Because they're adjectives, they belong after a linking verb, where they describe the subject. Listen, the soup tastes good. Tastes is linking there, and good describes the soup. Or, I feel bad about the mix-up. Feel is linking, and bad describes how I am. It describes me, the subject. So, whenever you want to describe the subject after a linking verb, good and bad are your words. Now the matching pair on the other side, well and badly. These two are adverbs. Because they're adverbs, they belong after an action verb, where they tell how the action was done. Listen, she sang well. Sang is an action verb, and well tells how she sang. Or, he played badly in the first half. Played is an action, and badly tells how he played. Good goes with bad as adjectives. Well goes with badly as adverbs. Match the pair to the kind of verb and you're set. There's one exception you have to know, and it's about the word well. Usually, well is an adverb, but well has a second life. When it means healthy, well is actually an adjective. Compare these. I feel well. Here, well means healthy, so it describes me, the subject. That's the adjective. but I sing well. Here, well tells how I sing, describing the action. That's the adverb. So remember the rule. If well means healthy, it's an adjective. Every other time, well is the adverb. Let's catch the two mistakes people make most. First one, she sang good. That's wrong, because sang is an action verb, and action verbs need an adverb. So it should be, she sang well. Second one, and this is the sneaky one, I feel badly about it. That's also wrong. Feel is a linking verb here, describing your emotions, so you need the adjective, I feel bad about it. Saying I feel badly literally suggests your sense of touch is broken. So keep it straight. Action verbs take well or badly. Linking verbs take good or bad. Let's boil the whole lesson into a quick check. First, find the verb and ask whether it's linking or action. Second, if it's a linking verb, use an adjective, good or bad, to describe the subject. Third, if it's an action verb, use an adverb, well or badly, to describe the action. Verb type first, then the right word follows automatically. And don't forget our one exception. Well is an adjective when it means healthy. Let's practice a few together. Time to practice. In this first set, each sentence is missing a word, and you'll choose the correct one. Look closely at the verb. Is it linking or action? That tells you whether to pick the adjective or the adverb. Pause the video and choose before I reveal the answer. Our team played blank in the championship. Good or well? Look at the verb, played. That's an action verb, and action verbs need an adverb to tell how. So we need well, not good. So the answer is well. This fresh lemonade tastes blank. Good or well? The verb is tastes, and here it's linking. The lemonade isn't doing any tasting, it's being described. A linking verb takes an adjective, and good describes the lemonade. So the answer is good. The old radio worked blank after the repair. Bad or badly? The verb is worked, an action verb, and it needs an adverb to tell how it worked. Bad is an adjective. Badly is the adverb we need. So the answer is badly. In this second set, decide what kind of word the blank needs. An adjective, which describes the subject, or an adverb, which describes the action. Again, the verb is your clue. Pause and decide before I answer. After the storm, the harbor grew blank. Adjective or adverb? Test the verb. The harbor seemed calm. That fits, so grew is linking here. A linking verb needs an adjective to describe the subject, so the answer is adjective. The sprinter finished the race blank. Adjective or adverb? The verb finished shows real action. She's actually doing something. An action verb needs an adverb to tell how she finished. So the answer is adverb. I feel blank about forgetting your birthday. Adjective or adverb? Watch out. This is the classic trap. Feel here is a linking verb, describing your emotion, so it needs an adjective. You feel bad, not badly. So the answer is adjective. Let's gather up what we learned. After a verb, the kind of verb decides your word. A linking verb takes an adjective that describes the subject, while an action verb takes an adverb that describes the action. Good and bad are adjectives, so they follow linking verbs. Well and badly are adverbs, so they follow action verbs. And keep that one exception close. Well is an adjective when it means healthy, as in, I feel well. Name the verb, pick the word, and you'll never mix them up again. Wonderful work today in Unit 5, Lesson 36. I'll see you in the next lesson.